word problems. Hello, it's Uncle Eden, and today we're going to learn about subtraction word problems. Alright, before we learn about subtraction word problems, we have special words we have to also learn. These words let us understand word problems well. These words are gives, takes, and take away. Take away. Okay. So anytime you see gives, takes, and take away, we put the minus sign. When we see gives, takes, and take away, we put the minus sign. So this is our rhyme for it. Gives, minus, takes, minus, take away, minus. So gives, minus, takes, minus, take away, minus. So when we see gives, we put minus, takes, minus, take away, minus. Right, so we have a subtraction word problem. And we have a story here. A boy has 6 mangoes and his sister takes 2 mangoes. How many mangoes are left? So we start with finding out the number. The first number is 6. So you write 6 here. Then we read on. A boy has 6 mangoes and his sister takes. Takes means minus. Takes means minus. So we put our minus sign here. Takes 2 mangoes. We have our second number 2 here. So we put 2 here. And then we'll count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because we are taking away, we are going to cancel out 2. So you cancel out 1, 2. And now these are out. So we count what are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is 4. Alright, so this is our second subtraction word problem. And it goes, Mommy buys 10 toy cars. She gives 5 to Kofi. How many cars does Mommy have now? Okay, so we're going to start again. So Mommy buys 10. Write our number down. 10 toy cars. She gives minus. Gives minus. So we put a minus here. She gives 5. So the next number is 5. So write a number here. 5. So now we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remember, in subtraction, we are going to cross out 5. So I'm going to start counting, crossing out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross out 5. So I'm going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Great job. Okay, so this is our third question. And it goes, there are 6 balls in a bowl, and Yao takes away 5. How many balls are left? So we start again. We're looking for our first number. First number is 6. So we write 6 balls in a bowl, and Yao takes away. And take away is minus. Take away minus. Great job. So we put our minus sign here. Takes away 5. So we write 5 here. Remember, we'll count only 6. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. are going to cross 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how many are left? 1. How many are left? 1. Great job. Alright. In the fourth word problem, you are going to solve it by yourself. And you read, Susie has 12 oranges and mommy takes 5. How many oranges does Susie have now? What's your answer?